Hey everyone, I'm Matt. Welcome back to another 2-minute tour. Today, we're taking a look at the Heartland Bighorn Travelers Model 37 RD. Now the Heartland Bighorn Travelers is a very popular fifth wheel. This is such a great floor plan, and it's giving you the biggest fifth wheel at the best value. I do want to let everybody know that a Bighorn Travelers is different from a traditional Bighorn. Right up front, we do have a fiberglass painted front cap. Coming on down the side here, we do have a nice power awning with LED lights, a little cooktop skillet right there, and nice 6-point hydraulic auto leveling, and the hydraulic assisted steps to get inside of the fifth wheel. We're starting right here, y'all, in this mid kitchen area. Now, this is definitely a smaller kitchen, especially for a fifth wheel. Got a little kitchen area over there, a little bit of storage, appliances right here, but the kitchen isn't why it's special. It's the RD part of the Bighorn, which is this rear den. You get not one, not two, but 3 sofas. This one's a recliner. You're looking straight on at the TV right there. You got your fireplace, plenty of storage all the way up, down, and around. Really, really nice living space in a fifth wheel like this. And then coming on back through, have a nice, great big one-piece fiberglass shower, porcelain toilet, and a little sink. And then over here's your king-size bed. King-size walk-around bed, tons of space in this bedroom. You got your storage over here, prep for a stackable washer-dryer, TV, and 6 dresser drawers right here. Well, guys, that's it. That's a quick little preview of the Bighorn Travelers. Now, if you guys are interested in more information about this fifth wheel, make sure you check out my YouTube channel, which is Matt's RV Reviews Towables. Or, if you know that this is a unit that you want to buy, click that link down below, and a member of our fifth wheel team will reach out to you and get you guys a phenomenal price. Thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see you next time.